So our next speaker is Alan King, and his talk is titled Minimum iRODS Testing Environment Demo.
Yes, so I'm going to run the unit tests that we run for iRODS. So this is run unit tests. I'm pointed at the Ubuntu 20, just like in my slides. I'm not going to use local packages. I'm going to use official 4.3.0 packages. We're going to run 4 at the same time, go. Okay, so we are currently standing up 4 catalogs, 4 catalog providers, and installing iRODS on all of them and the iCommands. We don't need the iCommands for the unit tests, but we do that because it's kind of just a generic way to set up tests. And then once it's done installing them, it's going to configure for testing any second now. Any second now. Yes, so it's now setting up the catalog, setting up the providers. That is, it's running the setup script. This is all in parallel, so it should be pretty quick, hopefully. And then once the servers are started, the tests begin to run. If you blur your eyes a little bit, you can see the various tests that are running. Unfortunately, the the wrapping is occurring right around where the test that ran and succeeded is. So if I just stop this output for 1 second, you can see that we have a command succeeded. The path to the unit test that ran, these are all executables. These are all binaries that we ship with the server if you package them with it. We don't in release, but we do in developer mode. And then the place where the JUnit report goes. And you might also notice that the providers are, in different. They're completing in different orders depending on how quickly the tests complete. The last time I ran this, it took 2 minutes. So, oh yes. So as each executor finishes its test list, you can see a message like this that says test completed successfully. And yep, okay, they're all done now. And here's the output that we saw on the slides. All the tests passed. It took 1.2 minutes this time. So that's not bad. And at the end, it stops all the containers after collecting the logs, tears them down, and they are not there anymore. And that's it.
All right. Yeah.
So you can configure our tests to generate XML reports. And that's what we're doing right now. And hopefully in the future, we'll be able to integrate that with another tool to make some pretty output with it.
All right. Thanks.